So welcome back to the channel. So let me make a video on how to remove the fairings on the ZX14R. So of course, this is the first thing you have to do, which is a bit difficult because you are removing these things fiddly. So what you need to do is to use a screwdriver, screw it out, and then pull it off. So this is mounted like so, which is underneath here. These two, they are tricky. Then you have this, which attaches to the right fairing. So the trick here is to unscrew this, and then at the same time use something to pry this outwards, because just turning this alone will not unscrew this. And the next one should be this top cover. There's 3 on this part. Then on the right side of the instrument panel. And then push this way. And then this way. So in here, there's another one of those annoying push pins. So this is my technique. So while I'm screwing it, I'm pulling this mechanics pick outwards. So once you have something to grab on it, you can actually just pull it out like so. So next will be this one, and then this, so there will be rubber grommets on, I think it's on this side and on this side. So what you need to do is to pull this out and then pull this downwards and then pull it towards you. So you can separate this grill from the fairing. So this is your rubber grommet, which is this and this. So it's here and here, these two. And then another bolt here. And beside the grommet. Now let's go to the lower fairing. This is supposed to be a push pin, but I replace it with a bolt. Because this is actually annoying when you remove it with a when you're removing a push pin in that area. Then a bolt here. Now hardware would differ because I believe that the hardware on this bike are not original because they are all different sizes. So expect different hardwares. This is Phillips. Two were, I don't know what size is this, maybe a 3, and this is a 4, oh no, a 5. So hardware will differ. Now all the bolts are off, so what you need to do is to lift this up. So you can unhook this from a loop. It's a loop in a, I don't know how you call it. So you unhook it like so. And then this rubber. And then pull it this way. Because there's a tab here. There you go. So on this bike, these tabs are broken, and then this is where one of those push pins are connected to. So this is where it goes. So push pin here, and another push pin here, and then 1, 2 screw. So that's how you remove your fairings. Peace out. So we are removing this because we are going to paint this lower fairing that we repaired. So we installed it for mock-up just to make sure that it fits well.